Many AI projects never move forward in endless pilot mode. Data is stuck in silos, basic tools, manual processes, slowing down the team. No clear plan to move from POC to production. At Renova Cloud, we've built the AI Factory, an AI accelerator to build and scale AI use cases on the top of AWS. And at the core of this program is the Amazon Bedrock services, which help us jump, build, deploy, and go to production in a short time, where we help you to achieve your business goal, moving from AI to ROI.
We are proud to be a leading AWS partner, signing AI strategic collaboration agreement to help you build your Gen AI and automation around your organization.
Production-ready AWS solutions faster than ever. Go beyond experiment with Renova, your trusted Gen AI launch partner.